Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a hotel in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the hotel button. And then click on the book a hotel button. So first you have to set the destination where you want to search for hotel. And then you have to set the dates of your stay. And then you have to set the number of adults, children staying with you. And if there are any children, you have to specify their age. And you can also click if you're traveling for work, but of course you can leave that out. And then just click on the search button. And then here are the results and the best deals for hotels. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.